All right, we just had
Something
French omelet.
savory.
Yeah. And now maybe a little French chocolate.
I like that.
All
Something
right.
sweet.
You know what? After a 5-year hiatus, Salon du Chocolat is back at the Javits Center this
You're
weekend.
so French. It brings together some of the city's and the world's most sought-after chocolates, chocolatiers, pastry chefs, and confectionery icons.
Native New Yorker Kaisha Thompson. She's a professional sugar artist and cake executive officer of L'or Cakery, known for its Caribbean-inspired flavors.
Pretty amazing. And this weekend, she'll be demonstrating her chocolate cake truffles, which we've got right here.
Okay.
They're so beautiful. I just feel bad for eating them because they're covered in gold.
I know.
And they're just so nice. And she's got cupcakes as well. She's got a whole mix, too. Should we try the truffles?
So let's try the truffle first.
Okay. Just bite into it. Oh, wow.
That's decadent.
Yeah.
Good.
I took
Good.
a big bite. Really
it's really
good.
interesting right after the eggs, too.
No.
It works, I think.
I think it does work. Okay, so she is born in Brooklyn, grew up in Queens, so she's a true New Yorker. And this is something she's gotten into.
So let's try the cupcakes, too.
Yeah. Oh, boy, that's going to be a journey. In a white dress.
I was going to say, yeah. At least I'm wearing a black suit, so I can hide it.
Okay. How are we going to do this?
Until I get it on my chin. That's good, too, though.
That's really good.
You know what?
That's really good.
We are not the arbiters of taste, though. We need to bring in some experts. Robert Moses.
Guys.
Let's go.
Come on in.
Ryan Christopher.
Yes.
Let's go.
Robert,
Can
you are known around
you
here
guys
for
gonna do?
stealing people's food. So
especially
why don't we
sweets.
come in?
And making people dance.
You can't tell all my secrets.
You guys, this is a truffle. This is the chocolate.
Oh, I know my way
cupcake.
around
You gotta get the
chocolate.
gold dusting on top.
Yes, that's nice, right?
Very nice.
It
Yeah,
is-
that's easier in bite size.
She does such a great job.
These are
Okay, and then
beautiful.
you can even make your own sea salt chocolate chip cookie mix. Wow.
Beautiful.
You could take it home.
What do you each think of the truffles?
I think
I
it's
love them.
succulent.
What?
Well, you said decadent, so I was trying to come up with a big word, you know?
Succulent?
Yes.
What is it, like in the garden?
It's a plant.
I would say
No, it
thank you.
tastes
I would say
succulent.
rich.
Rich, chocolately.
Divine.
Succulent.
How about divine?
Okay,
Divine.
that's
really
a better
I
word.
divine.
How about just
Appreciate it.
good? We will go
I'll
with
sign
that.
on for that.
That's what
Can
I
you
heard.
say the French again?
Oh, Salon du Chocolat.
Oh,
do
chocolate.
chocolate.
You're so fancy.
Make it up as I go along. Thank you very much, Kaisha.